So this is a part 3 of banking project. In this video, let us understand how to make MDA form, menu strip creation, menu items link, and all other things. So it's a Visual Basic backend SQL Server project. It's of part 3. If you're watching this first time, please watch the part 1 and part 2. The links are provided in the description. Please check the description. So here we have to use menu strip and the MDA form. So both we'll discuss in this video. So if you want this project, it's available for download here, iblix.com/download. You can download from here. We also other projects too there, so please check it out at once. And then if you wish, you can download this. Otherwise, we strongly suggest please write your own, so therefore you'll get the benefit of it. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Your subscription will help us to bring more videos and very good content. And if you like the video, please click the like button. And apart from this, you want to say something, you want to share with us something, so please write it in the comment and send the comment to us. Now let's move on to Visual Studio and see that how we can create the MDA parent form. So here is the project, banking project, which is already created. So from first video and second video, we already explained like how to create the welcome form and the login form. And now we are going to discuss the MDA parent. So again, if you are not yet watched the videos, so please watch the video. If you go to iblix tutorials and click on videos, there you can see that this is the part 1 video. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe here. So let's come back and let's see that how to create the MDA parent. So project, you have to go to add new item. So here we have different items. So you need to search for MDA parent. So here you have MDA parent Windows form. So you need to select the MDA parent form. And then here is the name. So because we are using only one MDA parent, even if you don't change the name, we'll do the job. So therefore let it be MDA parent 1 and click add button. So you can see that MDA parent is created, but there is some problem here. Like it's not a problem, lot of things are already provided. Actually we don't require. There is a menu strip already, there is a toolbar already existing, and even lot of code is already written for this. So if you take to the window, you can see that there is a huge code is already there, okay? But anyway, we don't require all these things for our project. So what we can do is we just click here and then delete it, and then click this menu strip and then delete. And here is the status bar. Okay, let the status bar be there, no problem. So tooltip, if you are using, we'll teach you like in some other time like how to use the tooltip. And this is a status strip. So if we don't want, we can delete this. So okay, delete at this moment. In case we want, we can use that. So this also I'm going to delete. Now we have only pure MDA parent. Now we need to remove that code also. So therefore just go to this code window. Here what you can do is here MDA parent 1 load is created. This is what just we created 1. So apart from this, anything else will be selected and then can be deleted. So you can see that up to this select and then delete. Return only this much. So public as MDA parent 1, and then this is the MDA load event. So MDA parent 1 underscore load event, and then end class. Even if you delete this also, there is no problem. So here you can see that only public class MDA parent 1 end class, only that much you retain, and then click here. If you double click again, MDA parent 1 load will be created. So only these 4 lines you can retain along with that one import statement. Rest of them you have to delete it off. So once it's deleted, everything is go. Now we have only pure empty MDA parent. So as usual, go to properties, Windows state. You make it as a maximize. The moment you run this, you should go to full screen. So therefore you can make it as a full screen. That is one thing. Next, you want to change the background color here. So you can just go to back color. So here is the back color. We can change the color here. So you select the custom. What color you want, we can change the color here. Done. 2 things are done. Now MDA parent, here is a text property. So what is the project name that we can give here? So now the project name is banking project. So therefore you can say banking project. You want to write your name and also you can also change here, like you can write your names. Now we need to add the menu strip. So therefore scroll down here. There is a menu and toolbars here, and here is a menu strip. So double click on this, a menu strip will be added to the project. So there is a menu strip. So select the MDA parent. So on the form level itself, you can go to font, change the font. So therefore you don't need to change in everywhere. So here we can select Vardhana, and now I can make it 12. Okay, so I think now because we added already, the font is not changed. Now we can just add this. So check out the font. Okay, it's not changed. So here you need to change the font. So this is already COGUI 12. You can make 12. So now here you can type the options. So this is account type, right? Then this is the account details. Done. Next one is deposit. So here it is withdraw. Next, check balance. So here you can make it as a reports. So in the reports list we can show all the reports. Therefore it's a account list, then deposit list, the next one is a withdraw list, then the transaction list. Fine. So 4 reports. So now you can see account type, account details, deposit, withdraw, check balance, and then reports. Now when you click here, so when you double click here, we need to write the code to show the corresponding form. So when you click this, so the menu item underscore click. Okay. Otherwise you can select this here. You have a events here. You need to click on the events, and then here is a click event. You have to double click here. Again, the event name automatically will create. Now if I want to show the form 1 here, so therefore I have to say form 1 dot show. Form 1 dot show. So when you show this, the form 1 will be shown. And then now we need to make the changes after login. So there is a login form here. So once you log in, so here is the code window. If I click this, it will take to the code window. Here form 1 dot show is that. Now we have MDA parent, therefore change to MDA parent. MDA parent 1 dot show. I want to show the MDA parent. Then when I click this MDA parent here, then I want to show the form 1. Later we'll add up account type form, and that one we can show, but time being we'll show the form 1. So therefore now save all the details. Okay, so now we can run. So first you will have a welcome screen. This is your welcome screen. As I told already, you can make this, you can make a different picture and you can change that picture. So here is the admin, then admin. Then you can click login. You can see that you will get the MDA parent. So this is the MDA parent, and here if I click the account type, so you can see that form is appear on the screen. So same way everywhere, if you click this, the corresponding form has to appear on the screen. So now you can see that project is not closed because we hide the welcome form. So therefore the project will not close once you close the run form. So just you need to close it here like. Fine. So save all. So this is a menu strip. That's how we can add the menu strip to the MDA parent. So we add the MDA parent and the menu strip. So please try this. So in the next video, we'll see that how to create the account form, how to insert the data to the account form. Okay. Thank you.